Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke aluminum wheels. An espresso brown ginger beige MB Tex interior with a brown eucalyptus wood trim. Sunroof. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Trailer hitch. Power liftgate. A clean set of floor mats, cargo cover, fold down 60/40 rear seats. Premium 1 package with lane keep assist, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, pedal shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, our keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLE has 26,798 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.